The sun, my friends, it's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com, your official YouTube yoga and Pilates instructor guy. Thanks for clicking on this video. This is day 4 of our 5-day Pilates for Athletes challenge. Make sure you are checked in below. Today is all about power from our core outward, breathing in the nose and out the mouth. Let's take a couple deep breaths right here. When you are breathing into the front, the sides, and the lower back, the entire spectrum of your center. And everything arises from your strong core in Pilates, your abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. Let's bring it down onto our backs for the scissors 100. Right leg up, left leg out, arms out to the sides. We're going to pump the arms about 4 to 6 inches, breathing in for 5 and out for 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. All right. Oh, that's tough to count, isn't it? Hold it. Right here, squeeze the abdominals. You can pull the pant leg up if you like. We're going to work on our body's ability to adapt to whatever situation arises. Now switch sides. Scissors hold. Squeezing the abdominals, sinking the lower back down. After this, we're launching into the classic Big 5 Pilates series. So take a deep breath. We're starting with single leg stretch. Right knee in, left leg out 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, very focused. 8, 9, 10. Now double leg stretch 10 times. Inhale out, exhale, circle the arms, pull in. Inhale, exhale. 2. In the nose, out the mouth. 3, 4. Keep your lower back down. 5. Always precise and flowing. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. Flowing right into single straight leg stretch. 2 pulses, which the leg, and then switch. Which the leg with the leg. Pulse, pulse. 10 repetitions. Grab as high as you can on the leg, elbows to the outside. Keeping the chin slightly tucked so the back of the neck is long. Exhale, exhale, inhale. Exhale, exhale, inhale. All right, going into double straight leg stretch. Hands under the hips, 10 repetitions. Flex the feet, point, bring it up. Inhale, exhale. There's 3, 4. Modify by bending the knees. 5, 6, 7. Keep the flow. Keep the rhythm. 8, 9. Very nice. And 10. Now the crisscross 20 times. Right knee in. Lift the chest to that knee. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Paid extra behind me. Same arm, same leg, 20 times. Right arm, right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent. How do your abs feel? Let's bring it to an up dog stretch here. Little shirt tucked. Check the surroundings. Who else is going to wander by? Upward facing dog. Great for opening up the front to the anterior part of the body, the chest, and abdominals and shoulders. Drop the shoulders back. Pressing back. We're going to move into plank ups 10 times. Plank position. 10 repetitions. Forearm, forearm, hand, hand, other side. 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. 6, 7. Control. 8, 9, and 10. Good. Raise the heart rate with our beautiful plank ups, forearm plank. Get acquainted. Squeeze, a little rocking back and forth, burning the shoulders, building that power and strength from the inside out. Now, rocking forward. This is a Pilates plank with one leg. 10 repetitions, forward and back. Inhale, exhale, moving right into it, into the flow. I always recommend watching this video first, writing it down even, getting acquainted with what we are doing. Pilates plank, 10 repetitions, and then sliding down for a swim, 20 repetitions. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Extend first, long arms and legs. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up, exhale down. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Open, close, Superman 10 times. Open, close. Inhale, exhale. 3, 4. Open the legs as well. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Burning the back. And we're going to be moving into tornadoes. This is a theme for a lot of these workouts in this 5-day Pilates for Athletes challenge. The tornado. 20 repetitions. Right leg up, left leg out. Position the head where you will. And circle around. 1, 2. Inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6. Core stabilization at its finest. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You got it. 13, 14. Keep breathing. 15, 16. Can't do much without the breath. 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, how do those abs feel? Mine are cooking. These are called ovals. Arms to the sides or fingers to the back of the head. 10 times. Inhale, tap, exhale up. Drawing the oval. There's 2. Inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let it burn. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ab circles. Cross the right leg, ankle over the left, fingers to the back of the head. We're going to circle 10 times to the right. The force is in the abdominals, not pulling on the back of the head. Elbows are out to the sides. There's a lot of classic Pilates in this routine, and there's a lot of variations to keep your body guessing, to keep your body surprised. Switch the ankles now 10 times to the left. Inhale at the bottom, exhale at the top. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it once again. Right ankle over left. Circle to the right when you're ready. 10 times. Here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let them burn. 9, 10. Switch. Other direction to the left 10 times. Here we are, my friend. Let's hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maximum benefits for your mind and body in a short amount of time. Drop the legs side to side. Windshield wipers, keeping the lower back loose. Always building in flexibility and mobility training to our workouts. Coming back up, plank ups one more time. 10 repetitions. Plank ups, plank position. Here we go. When you're ready, little smile, forearm, forearm, hand, hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Parallel to the ground. 7, 8, 9. One more time. 10. Beautiful. All right. This one is called the Running Man Sub-Zero. Now Plane Zero. Maybe taken from the movie. I don't know. This one darn near killed me. Let's see how you do with it. Extend the legs out. 10 repetitions. Arms to the sides. Very explosive. Going to exhale. Bring the right knee in and launch yourself up, and then slowly come down with the inhale. There's 2. Inhale down. Massage the spine. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Very explosive. I was feeling all the ab exercises 5 that we've done up to this one while I was doing this one. They all kind of gang up sometimes. Woo! Keep those abs tight. I was actually feeling it go into my left pec because my abs were maxing out. That's good. Always maxing out the abdominals. Finish up strong. Okay, there we are. I was very glad when that one was over, but I'm going to come back to it. Not in this workout, but in my own workouts. Here's child's pose, my friends. Keep the back nice and limber. Stretch it out. And moving into dolphin rocks 10 times. We're going to inhale. There's dolphin pose. Inhale forward, rocking it forward, then sink the heels back. Been seeing this one a little bit more in my workouts lately. We're going to add a leg here if you like. Lift a leg, press it forward, and then back. Inhale, exhale, 10 repetitions, forward and back, feeling the whole back, shoulders, and arms getting into it, as well as the glutes and core. Inhale, exhale. Don't dive onto your face. Keep it controlled. And now Spider-Man's 20 times, plank position, leg out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have it. Let's do the dolphin rocks once again. 10 times. Add the leg if you like. Here we go. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2. Strong in the movements. 3. To the very end, the going gets tough and we actually get better. Our form gets better. 6. 7. Every repetition, we get stronger. 8. 9. Through progressive destabilization. 10. Excellent. Sink it down. Forearm plank. 20. Spider-Mans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Paid extra. All right, that's the other workout, unless you want to do the extra credit. The extra credit exercise is a rollover to chair. So you can stop it here, my friends, or join me in just a moment for some extra credit excitement. Every one of these videos in this 5-day challenge has an extra credit at the end. 5 points to Gryffindor if you can do it. Roll over to chair. Shake it out. Shake out the body. Watch out for that lady. Okay, arms to the sides, legs out. We're going to exhale. Peel the spine off the mat into the rollover. And then inhale, lift the legs up, flex the feet. Exhale, rolling up to chair, massaging the spine. A lot of agility and dexterity in this move. There's your chair pose. Now slowly, with control, come back down. Roll it up and over. Here's 2. Take your time. Use the muscles, your own momentum. Rolling up, chair. I can think of about 30 sports where this maneuver, that transition to the chair, would help immensely. Flex. Arms off the mat if you want even more. Progressive destabilization. Once your body adapts, you add more. You add something else to throw you off your game. And then adapt, build, and conquer. Slow it down. I'm lifting the legs higher now, rolling up, planting the feet, pressing back in the heels and the glutes for the chair. All right, I believe we have 2 more repetitions of this day 4 power. Huge stretch for your spine here as well. So many things happening at once. I won't bore you with everything. You are feeling it right now. You're feeling your body 100% engaged in the task at hand. Mind, body, spirit. Lift the legs. Finish strong. Arms up. Massage that spine. There we are. Chair pose. Feel that stretch, that engagement in the glutes. And shake it out. Well done, my friends. Tuck in that shirt. I'm going to do a long up dog here. Hands are on the shoulders. Plant the feet. Drop the shoulders back. Swaying back and forth. Breathing in the nose and out the mouth. Opening up the entire anterior chain of your body. The chest, shoulders, the throat, the abdominals. Stretching the back. Engaging the glutes. And keep your breath flowing. A limber, flexible, powerful, mobile body will help you in every sport, every activity, preventing injury, helping to prevent injury. And also you can work these exercises when you are rehabbing an injury, but always check with your doctor. Good. Hold it. Now press back, child's pose. Feel that beautiful stretch swaying back and forth. And that's day 4, my friends. Make sure you check in below. Let me know you're here, where you are working out with me, which state, which country. Questions, concerns. Subscribe, like, comment. Well done. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below, or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.